Since 1982, Honduras has included a claim to the Sapodilla Cayes in its constitution. We do not believe that the Honduran claim is credible. Because both Belize and Guatemala claim the Sapodillas in the I.C.J. case, which said Cayes are claimed by Honduras in its constitution, it is our understanding that Honduras will feel obliged to intervene in the Belize-Guatemala case now before the I.C.J. to assert its claim to the Sapodillas. Madam President, Belize and Honduras have excellent relations. After taking legal advice, we have engaged the Honduran government with a view to negotiating a resolution of their claim to the Sapodillas on the basis of Honduras acknowledging Belize's exclusive sovereignty over the Sapodillas. Regrettably, this has not been successful. If, as we believe is likely, Honduras applies to intervene in the case now before the court, it is likely to affect the Belize-Guatemala case. Once the I.C.J. becomes aware of the claim by Honduras to the Sapodillas, there is a significant risk that the court would not delimit the maritime areas that appertain to the Sapodillas, thereby leaving unresolved a large part of our maritime entitlement. Indeed, the I.C.J. may decide not to pronounce on sovereignty over the Sapodillas as well, even as between Belize and Guatemala. This would mean that sovereignty over a very important part of our sovereign domain, the Sapodillas and the maritime areas pertaining to it, will remain unresolved. In light of all the circumstances and based on legal advice from our international lawyers, Madam President, Belize seeks to accede to the Pact of Bogota, a treaty to which Honduras is a party.